You want to install a starter strip by placing the nails about every 16 inches, centered on the slot. Make sure,
like I said, because we were able to level off the house, level everything off completely.
after he checked his level and secure the window. This one has come with 7 screws.
Some type of architectural art like this. See, so much can be done with vinyl siding. You just need the right. Here we are with the installation of vinyl cedar shake siding. As you notice, everything has to be.
I think this is the way we turned out this window here.
I'm here with Andy and Mary Beth Thompson in Glen Rock, New Jersey. We just finished installing All Sides Prodigy siding. And guys, what can you say about the installation? How do you like New America Construction service?